Tips for recording firearms. It's best to use a multi-track recorder. It is optimal to have close, thick reflections, medium close to the shot, to build the sound of the shot, and then have the distant mountains or buildings to provide a thick, long reflection back for the echoes. Use a boundary mic and a dynamic mic. If you can, record at least 4 mics at close and medium close from the different angles and distances. Listen to a test shot as your mic or recorders might break up. The attack is not a defining character in a gun. It is the body of the decay, sustain, and then the release. Getting a thick, fat body sound and long, clean, airy release is really most critical. An attack on a gun can sound just like a quick snap, which is too fast for the human ear to resolve as relevant. As always, listen to the environment and use it to your advantage.
That was fast. Is there any more shots? Maybe hitting the target?
Lean over it and really lean into it. It won't hurt. Lean into it. Good man.